a-comin', I'm a-comin'. Hi, Ron One here at the Little Weird Shop. Just thought I'd do a quick little video on a couple of the first benches I put in the shop here when I was turning this into the Little Weird Shop. The first couple I did was some live edge ones. I got a good deal on some live edge slabs, a little over 2 inches thick, Arizona cedar, and got them so reasonable I thought, why not use them for bench tops, because I love slabs. So this is the first one I did. We'll get a closer look at it here in a minute. And this one holds the cut-off saw and the mortising machine, Shop Fox mortising machine. And I mounted all these with these quick gizmos here, so I can, if I ever need to move it, I'll give you a close-up of that in a minute. Ever need to move them for size or whatever, I can take them off in about 2 minutes, both these machines, and move them somewhere else where maybe the size project I'm working on could fit. But as of about 2 years now, I've never had to remove them to use them. On the this here, I've got 12 foot to the left. I just pulled my drum sander out a little bit. I got 12 foot that way to lay a board in here, and I have another little support down there, and I've got about 8 foot this way, so plenty of room for the cutoff saw. So let's take a little closer look at that one. Okay, we'll take a little closer look at this one here. As you can see, it's beautiful, and I used armor seal as a finish on it, 5 coats, and it's been holding up well. I just love it when I clean the shop up and get the old slabs here clean again. On this slab, this was the first one I did. See, I got one leg there, and it's hooked to the wall in the back. And I cut it off there to leave room in this corner for the bandsaw, and I'll show you where I used that cutoff piece. So the piece that got cut off there, the rest of that slab I brought over here, and you really can't see much of the slab, but there, that's what the sander is mounted on, a leg under it in the center there. So there's another little slab, although again, can't see much of it. And the second slab then I did was here. This is really a wild looking and shaped one. This is for the drill press in the corner there. Same Arizona cedar. That slab in, I have one leg there right under the center of the drill press, then hooked to the wall on the rest. And again, the drill press is mounted with those big turn, I'm not sure what you call them, but the things I already showed, big thing. I can just turn it real quick, remove it, and move that drill press out of that corner if need be for a bigger project. But again, after 2 years, I've never had to move that one either. So, and there's a look at that thing. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. So that's just a little quick look at a couple live edges I have in my shop, how I use them, and like I said, I do love them. And I would like to do here in the near future, shop's a mess here, so let me get around here, is this outfeed table for my table saw here, where I've just got plywood with some pegboard on top. Want to come across a live edge and do a slab on all that there, kind of like Matt Cremona did for his table saw. Yeah, that would look cool and kind of tie the shop all together. So that'll be coming up down the road. So for now, there's Ron One, Littlewierdshop. We're out of here.